Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're not doing a video. But I'm watching a video, you say to yourself. Well, that's true, but it's not a review of any bulbs or anything. I got distracted and fired up the 3D printer, and this thing takes, roughly 10 hours to make the SSD case that I'm making. Let's pull this cover off. I wanted to test this out for prototyping future light assemblies and whatnot. Give me a second, I'll bring you in closer. This is the longer 10, or longer orange 10, and that's the SSD case I designed. I spent a few hours practicing in their version of CAD to build it, and here you can see it is chooching away. We've spent a little over 3 hours so far. Got another 6 3/4 to go. Pretty cool stuff. I'm using the liquid resin, which is cured by ultraviolet light at the bottom, as opposed to the kind that uses a filament and melts it and puts it on top. This gives you a cleaner surface finish right off the print. We'll see how it comes out, and I'll put a full video reviewing it and seeing what we can build with it in the future. But until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.